Hi everybody, Miss Trish here again. I've got a great little science experiment for us to work on. You should have all the supplies in your cabinet already. We're talking about baking soda, which is our base, vinegar, which is our acid, and when we mix the two together, that's when we get our chemical reaction, our cause and effect, and we see that carbon dioxide as the byproduct and that fizziness. And then of course we have our neutralized liquid that stays on our plate after we're done. Hey, listen, you may not understand chemical reactions, but what we definitely understand is exploration and cause and effect. I hope you enjoy this one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hi guys, quick safety tip. When you're working with a chemical that has an odor, that has a smell, scientists use a technique called wafting so that they don't inhale dangerous amounts of that vapor that can make us sick or not feel good. So what you want to do is take your container and then bring your hand to kind of waft that smell towards your nose and find out if it smells sweet, spicy, savory, or yucky. So give it a shot today when we're using our vinegar. See you soon.